Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, and if you are new here, hi, my name is Natasha and it's fantastic to have you here. For today's video, we are unboxing and taking a look at the Mushroom Spirit Oracle by Nicola McIntosh. This is published by RockPool, retailing for $24.99 in the US and $18.99 in the UK. And as always, in the description box below, I will link where you can legitimately purchase this deck should you want to. And whilst you're there, I have my link tree that will provide you all of my social media, as well as my Etsy shop where I do private readings, as well as my Whatnot link that can invite you to join me over there on that app where I sell all of my crochet goodies as well as ritual items. So go and take a look should you want to. We have a lot of fun over there. So with that being said, let's jump in. Powerful, ancient, and wise, mushrooms carry the secrets of the earth. Consisting of 36 beautifully illustrated mushrooms from around the world, the Mushroom Spirit Oracle is not only an informative deck on multiple species and their uses, but can be used as a tool to look inwards for spiritual growth. Great for anyone starting off their journey into mushrooms or the avid fan. Mushrooms, like all things from nature, hold an innate wisdom to help us through challenging times. Nicola McIntosh brings together her love of mushrooms, nature, and spirituality into the Mushroom Spirit Oracle. A whole new world awaits you. 36 cards and a guidebook. So this looks fun. I really have been enjoying the increase in mushroom. Consumer items, I should say. So the fact that we are getting more in our divination tools is fantastic. So before we get into the card flip through, I'm just going to take a look at this guidebook to see if there's anything we should know. The greatest gift we can give ourselves is the power of observation. Our teachers are all around us if we take the time to notice. Oh, and it's color inside here as well. So we have introduction, how to use the oracle, and then we have the mushrooms and their meanings. All right, do we have any spreads? And then we have about the author. All right, talking about mushrooms. Unless you are highly trained in the identification of mushrooms, please do not forest or harvest your own. If you are not 100% certain of the identity of the mushroom, do not pick it. There are many lookalikes, and eating the wrong one can lead to sickness and DEATH. I don't know if I can say that on YouTube. You can purchase medicinal and edible mushrooms from reputable sellers, so please play it safe. All right. So more information about the oracles as they relate to the spiritual journey. So it just talks about there's no wrong or right way to use the cards. Then we have the 1-card spread, past, present, and future with the 3-card. Then we have the obstacle spread. This is so cute. The mycelium spread. And then it goes into the meanings. All right, let's get into this deck. I am excited. Oh, we got even more surprises here with this really pretty edging there. It's like a matte pale green. And look at the cute little mushies. As always, I'm always going to say I want a deck with more than 36 cards, but I'll take it. The cardstock here is flexible. It snaps back. It's on the thinner side, but it's not like paper thin. I would say it's around Llewellyn cardstock, if that makes sense to you. And we've got a number at the top. We've got the name of the mushroom as well as the little keyword here, what it is relating to. Chaga. Gotta love a shiitake. There's that turkey tail. So this is calm. The one before it was block. I think it might be hard to pick up on the video, so I'll just start reading what the keyword is. So celebrate with the meitake. This is essence. Align, and Gnocchi. Those are so fun. Oh, the oyster mushy. So this is regeneration. Yin. Substance. These are very fun. I think this would go really well with the Midnight Magic Mushroom Tarot. So this is Restore. Oh, the Puffball, Let Go. Amethyst Deceiver, Deception. That's a pretty mushroom. Introspection, the Golden Teacher, or the Magic Mushroom. Then we have the Amanita. Expanded Awareness. Ooh, look at that ghost mushroom. It has the different background than all of the other ones. That's interesting. How do you guys feel about that? Would that like mess up your shuffling or anything like that? So this says Shine. Rarity. Now I'm just thinking My Little Pony. Death Cap with Endings. Healing. Oh, I love this mushroom. It's so pretty. Shaggy Ink Cap with the Growth or Destruction Cycle. Fairy Ink Cap with Subtlety. Oh, cute. Wrinkled Peach Mushroom, Unique. This is Fertility. I love the little nettings that we see on some of these mushrooms. They're so fun, delicate. Adapt. Capture. That's really cool looking. Nature is amazing. Discovery or Unknown. Then we have Purpose or Judgment. Those look like evil eyes. Not evil eyes, but you know, the to ward off negativity, evil eye. Oh my gosh, how fun. This is Reveal. Isolation. Impress. Define. True Colors. Oh, here's another Bleeding Tooth. This was also in the tarot. So Stagnation. Pretty. Community. And Dead Man's Fingers. I get a kick out of this one. So Timing. All right. Let's see how it shuffles. I really do like this. Really pretty. It's like a sagey green, almost olive edging. Oh yeah, it's not bad at all. Very flexible. Yeah, slips just fine. I don't have an issue with it. Can I get a card to read, please? We're going to get the Amanita for Expanded Awareness. All right. So what I did appreciate was that there was a table of contents here. So that's 16 So we're on page 53. Cool. Okay, so it will tell you also the scientific name and then that it's psychedelic and poisonous. So very cool to have that addition. The Amanita mushroom is an easy one to identify with its distinguishable red cap and white spots. It is mainly found in the Northern Hemisphere in the UK, North America, Europe, Siberia, and Asia, but has been introduced to New Zealand, Australia, South Africa, and South America. It is mostly found beneath pine trees and woodlands and has thus become a favorite of fairy tales and magic. Considered poisonous due to its psychoactive alkaloid content, A. muscaria is commonly used for its strong psychedelic effects in shamanic and indigenous ceremonies. Siberian shamans noticed that reindeer become intoxicated by the Amanita mushroom, so they would either kill them and eat their meat or drink their urine because the alkaloids remained intact and they could get the effects of the psychoactive content in this way. They would also prepare the mushroom in other ways and found that by drying them first, the effects could be increased. These alkaloids also make the mushroom a good insecticide, and placed in milk it will kill flies, hence it's also known by the name fly agaric. The fly agaric mushroom may in fact be where the story of Santa and his flying reindeer come from, including why he hails from the North Pole and wears red and white. All right, so then we get the card meaning. Because A. muscaria is used to alter your consciousness to help you access other planes of existence, this card represents the need to raise your consciousness to a higher level. It is time to see things from a higher and less physical perspective and a time of spiritual growth. It is time to rise up and let go of the restraints that keep you thinking inside the square. It is also time to think and see things completely differently. The Amanita does not decompose what it rises from, which is unusual for a mushroom. This is most likely due to its relationship with the pine tree, where what it once used to do is no longer required. Have you formed a relationship with something or someone where something you used to do is no longer necessary? What is your purpose now? Are you needing to look at the value you offer in a relationship and see where you both work together, or is it more of a one-sided feeling? Red is also a color that usually spells out danger. Eating Amanita is not recommended, so this card may be a sign of something to look out for. A warning that you shouldn't partake of something unless it is done in the right manner and for the right reasons. Anything can be poison if not used properly or not handled with respect. Tread carefully and keep an open mind. I love that. I do want to point out that what was tripping me up was some of these words are not spaced. So some of that got under the radar of the editor. So I do want to point that out. I don't know if that's a bother for anybody else, but just want to be very honest with what I'm seeing. So I really do think that this is fun. It's educational. I like where it's coming from. I think that it might be a little hard to divine from if you are a beginner or don't know much about mushrooms in general, because seeing this, you wouldn't really know that that's what it meant down there. So the keyword is very beneficial. So for me, these feel more like flashcards, but at the same time, if you expand your knowledge within the mushroom realm, it's definitely something that will increase with your intuition. So not bad at all, not judging this. I'm just merely pointing out that it might be a little bit harder for those that don't have a full extensive knowledge to get that intuitive hit that we normally would with like a scene or something going on. That is all I meant. So I think it's fun. It's beautifully illustrated. I like the price point. I think there's a lot of uses for this, especially when it comes to a daily pool, or like I said, learning about mushrooms in an interesting way, in a different type of way. So very cool, very fun. I would love to know your thoughts about this. Is this something that you are excited about? Is this something that you've been waiting to see a flip through on? Is this a pass for you? Let me know all of your thoughts down in the comment section below. And thank you so much for watching today. If you've made it this far, don't forget to add a mushroom in your comment to let me know that you made it to this end. Thank you again for watching, for hanging out with me, for just your support. I love you and I like you. If you have not done so already, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell on your way out of this video. That way you will never miss an upload from me. Check out all those links in the link tree, yes, and have a wonderful rest of your day, and I will see you in my next video. Bye-bye.